southwestern California until 8:30 p.m. PDT. At 5:29 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.25 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Highway 78 between S2 and Borrego Springs Road, Mount Laguna, Highway 78 between Banner and S2, Highway 78 between Borrego Springs Road and El Cotillo Wells, Borrego Springs, Highway S2 between Shelter Valley and Agua Caliente. Highway some locations that will experience flash flooding include Highway 78 between S2 and Borrego Springs, Mount Laguna, Highway S2 Vencido Creek Road, Highway S2 between Canebrake and Imperial County Line, Agua Caliente, Shelter Valley and Canebrake. Fish Creek Wash, Highway S1 between Lake Tiamata and Mount Laguna, Highway S2 Vencido Creek Road, Highway S2 between Canebrake and Imperial County Line, Agua Caliente, Shelter Valley and Canebrake.